Hello friends, we will be preparing few videos where I will be showing you how Power BI dashboard looks like and how it can be used to read and understand data, which will further help us in decision making. With time, importance of data has increased significantly, and so has increased the importance of proper presentation of data so that user can draw meaningful information. In next few videos, I will share various Power BI dashboards to give you some glimpse and idea about various possibilities with Power BI. So without wasting much time, we will start with our first video on our first dashboard. This dashboard gives various analysis on quantity sold by a particular company. So there are three visualization. We'll discuss each one by one. First table tells about the sales quantity and its various attributes. So total sales quantity for a particular period that we are referring here is 10,09,290. Now if we want to go into details of this quantity, just need to click here and it will give us the details. So as you can see, I'll just enlarge this table for better clarity. So this 10 lakhs sales is categorized into various products such as cell phone, computers, camera, TV and video, music and movies, and audios. Now each of this category can be further looked into by just clicking on them. Now this next division tells us about the state or countries in which these products are sold. So computers are sold in the respective countries and the quantity sold in each country is mentioned here. If you want to see list of all the countries, you can just scroll down. So this we are seeing for the computers. If you want to look for TV or video, you just need to click the respective product. Going one step forward, we'll see the various channels through which the sales are made. So let's say if I want to see details of TV and video sold in United States, I'll just click this. So sales of TV and video in United States is further categorized into 4 channels and the numbers are in front of you. Similarly, you can select any combination you want and the numbers will be there for your reference. Now understand friend, this is a very detailed representation of a data that will enable you to get idea about your sales very quickly. Going back to our main report, next two tables are bar diagram for quantities sold in countries, country-wise and product category-wise. So let's say if you don't like this presentation and you want to see it is a donut chart, it can be done by a single click. If you want to look into a pie chart, again it is possible. If you want a stacked column chart, again it is possible. Now the next feature of this dashboard is, even though each table are individual visuals, they are also linked and they work as a filter for each other. So let's say I just want to see all the numbers for computer. I'll just click on this computer bar and the numbers have been filtered to give me the data for computers only. And again with the same click we can unfilter the data. On top this, here is a narrative visual of this presentation which will also change based on the selection that we make. So this narrative right now is for the entire data. It tells about the quantity sold in United States as compared to quantity sold in United Kingdom and a percentage comparison of the same. So this is for all the product, and again if I select any of the product, the number will change to give the reading for that particular product only. We'll move to our next feature. It is called a drill down feature. This is a very powerful feature available with Power BI. It will enable you to look into the minutest detail of the data available with you. So to start with, we have 4 bars representing sales made by each channel. Now we will go into details of each channel. So let's say if you want to see the details of sales made through store. So this is the year wise detail of sales made through store for all the products. Then if you want to see quarterly details of any particular year, so this is 4 quarters for 2019, and we can keep on drilling down to months, date wise, and then salesperson wise. I think this is the last. Further, you can go to see which products are sold by salesperson. So this is the last drill down, and we don't get any further drill down option. So if you have the data and right categories and attributes defined properly with you, you can represent this data to the smallest details. Now this feature gives now this bar diagram shows sales, quarter-wise sales made in a particular calendar year. Now this is for all the quantities or all the channels, but if the management or you want to see this bar diagram channel wise or product wise, all you need to do is select that particular attribute and drag it to the small multiples, and the bar diagram available for all the channels has been divided into each channel individually, and you can clearly see that sales in one channel is very high as compared to sales through other 3 channels. And let's say if you are not very comfortable with any of these diagrams and you want your numbers in your table, then the same can be done easily with dashboards. Now these are the various possibilities for representing sales number based on the data available with you. Now this dashboard was prepared based on one of the client's requirement. This can be customized a long way based on your requirement and data available. In coming videos we will see other possibilities and other dashboard options that can be done with Power BI. Thank you. That's all for this video.